All right, folks, here we go. Monday morning, last trading week of June. That's right, got the big U.S. holiday over the weekend. 4th of July falls on Sunday. Monday, stock market will be closed in observation of that holiday. However, Nadex will remain open. That's right, Nadex will remain open. We'll be open Sunday night, Monday morning for trading in our FX contracts, just like we were Memorial Day, President's Day, and the Martin Luther King holiday. So going to be ample opportunity for you to get in there and get some in between the barbecue, in between boating, in between whatever you're going to do on the 4th of July, all the fireworks, you name it. You're going to be able to get in there and get a little trade on. All right, so what's happening today? Markets are very quiet. You probably can expect to see that for the remainder of the week as people do start to check out for that holiday. Going to be lower volumes, going to be a very quiet week. That said, we do have some potential market moving catalysts. Friday, June jobs report coming out, non-farm payroll unemployment rate, big potential market mover on Friday. We've also got this infrastructure bill trying to make its way through Congress. Looks like we got a little more bipartisan support last night. That could move the market. So there is event risk out there that could shake these markets up. Now, that said, looking at today, heading into the opening trade, markets are very quiet. Stock market's flat, dollar's flat, you name it. Need something to move these markets. We do have a potential couple market movers this week. So don't get complacent. Still stuff to do. Get in there. Take some of our education courses. Be on the ready. Let's have a great week. Let's finish this month strong. And then let's go in and celebrate the holiday. All right, folks, let's kick this Monday off. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.